Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English. Let's look at role of news editor of a newspaper. News editor is one of the most important person. His role in any newspaper office, whether it will be weekly or daily, is important. An active, intelligent and enterprising news editor is a vital spark who energizes everybody. He is responsible for a steady and continuous inflow of up-to-the-minute news. Most of the news supplied is a mechanical process covered by daily routine. All machinery of news gathering, the news editor is responsible for watching its smooth functioning. The news editor keeps a careful eye on the routine side of his news collection as well as on the other side of his work or the news desk, which calls for more imaginative emulation. So, news editor must always be very alert. The news editor manages to get all the obvious stories into his paper. He has to select some stories as exclusive parts. He must give importance to original ones produced by his team of correspondents. He has to scrutinize all the things given to him and compile it. The number of words received on the teleprinter in a newspaper is so large that if each word were to be printed, the newspaper will have to run into hundreds of pages each morning. So he has to analyze everything. News editor needs discretion, discrimination and imagination in reading the public mind. He has to select the stories which have real news value. All this has to be done with an alertness because the kind of stories to be published much seek readers' attention. An intelligent news editor has to make a follow-up of the promising paragraph or sometimes even make further inquiry before finalizing the story and give it to the perfect shape he wants. Exclusive stories. The news editor gets good satisfaction from the stories which are exclusive to his newspaper. If he can manage to get into every issue a dozen or more minor stories with good news value but exclusive, he feels elated. News editor has more responsibilities. He is also responsible for final scrutiny of important news stories submitted by different correspondents. He gives special attention to the facts and figures included in the write-ups, and wherever he is in doubt, he takes pains to check up their accuracy from the authentic source. Any slip on his part can land the newspaper into trouble. So, he has to carefully scrutinize everything. Good newspapers have highly experienced and intelligent news editors. So, he has to be very careful in his work. The hurry work of daily routine makes heavy demands upon the organizing ability of the news editor and his decisions, especially when time is short and there has to be accuracy. Qualities of a news editor. He must have an infinite amount of patience and a keen interest in all news. He must have a good general educational background with a fair amount of historical, political and economic knowledge. He must try to keep himself abreast and informed on every important development. He must enjoy reading the newspapers, weeklies and the magazines. He must not think that he can keep normal working hours. He is always on duty, whether at home or in the office. He is busy all the time. He must be a good mixer and always look out for news. He has to scan the newspaper, which is perhaps the most important asset of all. He must be able to retain a sense of humor, however depressing the situation may be. His working day begins early. Once he gets to his office, there is so much to be one that he has little time to examine thoroughly his own paper and those of rival managements. He has a continuous work. Therefore, he must begin his reading in the morning and continue it. He must have a fair idea of the contents of the morning papers. His assistant will have arrived earlier and will have prepared a list of his papers, exclusive news items, and more depressing list. It is always the great thrill of the news editor's life that he can never guess when the big news will break. One news editor certainly will never forget the moment when a pale-faced messenger tore an item of the tape machine and put on his desk the news of Lal Bahadur Shastri's death. Thanks for watching this video. We meet again next time.